Good day. What's going on, EDM YouTube? I'm Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator, and today we are going to Austin City Limits. I'm only going for day 2, so that's Saturday. Why just one day? Because I'm old, and I wanted to experience Billie Eilish though, so I flew down to Austin. We got Billie Eilish, we got Rufus Du Sol, Alison Wonderland, and our girl Doja Cat. Don't hate. Today's gonna be a great day. I'm here with my buddy Bobby. Here's his place. He's taking a shower right now. We're about to get ready and then go grab some food, maybe grab some mimosas. And we're honestly gonna pregame a little early. But I've never been to Austin City Limits. I'm really excited. I've been kind of watching some of Vibe with AIDS vlogs just to get kind of ready. But yeah, let's fucking have this experience. Enjoy the vlog.
Flew into the peasant.
I know. I just saw this. I just got picked up by this beautiful specimen of a human. Austin has these like weird things. There's like the main airport, and then there's like the poor people like side of the airport where I got picked up from. Because it's like Frontier, Legion, probably Spirit too. I don't know.
Yep, absolutely.
That's Enzo. He's got a little head out, enjoying the weather. Got done showering, going with like an all black look for Austin. Got my Stop Being Poor shirt. Got my high ground hat. Very, very casual today. And my boy too, he's gonna be wearing all black. Naturally. And then Enzo's coming with us, and Enzo's gonna be wearing a little cute hat.
I have a...
Oh shit. Luke, I am your father.
This barbecue in here is fucking awesome. Super good.
Dude, he lives right there. And we ordered like tacos right here.
Yep.
I thought we were gonna walk a minute.
No, we got the gyro truck here.
It's called Giro. Shame.
Humiliating it.
How embarrassing.
No.
Shame.
Being in public is normal. We all do it. Yeah.
Is it too early for a hot Cheeto burrito and drinks?
Never too early.
Never too early. It's only like 10 a.m. Bro, who got you walking like that?
Now I'm self-conscious.
They fuck.
We'll put Frisky Hug in the Viking helmet. We'll give him a pashmina. Got the katanas.
Everything's dull in your house.
First of all, I'd like to apologize to all of Frisky Hug's viewers, formally, verbally, for my mustache right now. I do not normally wear a mustache. Unfortunately right now, gotta grow one out for Halloween. So it is what it is, but I do apologize.
But we're like 6 drinks in. Each drink has 2 shots. Whoa, is that Carter from the Ubby Dubby vlog? It's Carter!
Me that I ain't gonna beat your ass, boy, because we're in Texas. Welcome to Austin City Limits. Steers and queers, baby.
So I parked my bike right here. They have a little area.
Miller Lite. Download the app and opt into notifications for important updates and emergency messages.
I'm gonna say.
So I just put all my shit in a little basket, and then I walked through, and they gave me my basket, and that was security. That was it. They did check my vaccine card, but they didn't really look at it. Like, I handed like my ID, my vaccine card. He looked at my ID, he said go, and like, oh, okay, my vaccine card's right here.
That's not the only thing on his knees right now.
Hey, buddy.
What up, boy? Oh my God, how are we all double fisted?
Wait a minute. Why am I the only one not?
I thought that was double fist, man.
Eat shit.
It was supposed to be for Carter, but I guess I told you I got Carter. I thought you were getting him one. No. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
We out here. We're good for the week.
We out here, boys. Hey, we're gonna go to the wine lounge.
lounge, because that's where the classy girls are.
It's the plur girls.
And by girls, I mean twink boys. Let's go!
Where them girls at?
Shady spot in Austin, Texas, at Austin City Limits. The Wine Lounge. We're here to hit wine coolers and fuck bitches, and we're all out of bitches.
Hey! Back shots on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Back shots! Back shots!
Wait, what?
I need your shirt. I need your shirt.
What's up, baby? ACL, let's go.
What is up? What's up?
Stop being poor.
Stop being poor. Let's spend some cash.
For real though, please. We're done with the homeless shit. It's not trendy anymore.
You started that this week or what?
Hey, how much did that cost you? Hey,
Cost me about.
how much did that cost you?
About $3.50.
$12. It cost $12. Look at this shit.
Where am I? Can you point me to a stage, please, sir?
We're gonna go to that one stage.
No, dude, so this is methylcobalamin, the most bioavailable form of B12. We give it at festivals for energy. I did one this morning, feeling electric. You know, stoked for going to Billie Eilish tonight.
Me too, yeah.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Oh, how you feel? Oh, you want to drop this, this good old drink right there? You know what I'm saying?
I know, right? Boys gonna be buzzing.
Yeah, thanks, brother. Appreciate you, man. Take it easy.
See ya.
The ones that hate me the most are just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. For those that don't know, and if you don't know, I know you're back there, so I'm gonna say what's up to you. My name is Jack Harlow. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky. I was here a week ago. Shorts off of it one time. She gon' get divorced off of it, cause she in the crowd screaming, getting horse off of it. 2 girlfriends, them of course y'all cousins. It's a Lambo, watch her pull the doors off of it. It's an MTV.
Bro, it took us like 10 minutes to get a Jack Harlow set.
That's fucking crazy, dude.
What the fuck?
They're fucking deep, dude.
Me and him,
Jake,
are gonna head to fucking Billie Eilish. We're gonna leave these motherfuckers behind.
Yeah, who the fuck's Billie Eilish? I literally don't know who the fuck that is.
That's me.
My pants got him.
I see myself in your eyes. I see myself in your eyes.
Let me put you on my shoulders. I will take you away.
You promise?
Let's go.
Are you sure? You're not gonna dump me, right?
I mean, all these people, they don't know what's up. I will take you away.
I see myself in your eyes.
feel more and more like I was made for you.
Good morning, it is the next day. We all got home safe and sound in some way or form. He hurt himself though. He jumped into a river or some shit. But aside from that, we're all safe. I did a B12 shot. It should be in the vlog. Worth it. It was $50, but it definitely like kept me somewhat not blacked out. So we're just chilling now. About to head to the airport soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.